This video is to go over the NeoGov Perform evaluation process. This flowchart outlines that process. The evaluation starts with the employee. Goals are either entered manually by the employee or supervisor throughout the year, or they are pulled from the previous year's evaluation. Those goals are then in the Perform product for each employee. When the evaluations go live, the first step in the process is that the employee is required to complete their self-rating. They are to assess their achievement of their current goals and competencies shown. Once they complete that, they submit it, and it notifies the manager that the self-rating is complete, and now the manager has to complete their rating of the employee based on the goals and competencies for the performance cycle. Once the manager submits that, it goes to the second line leader or the manager's manager, and the manager's manager reviews the evaluation and makes any comments as needed. They approve it and electronically sign the evaluation. Once they do that, it then gets routed back to the manager, and the manager is alerted that the evaluation has been signed by the second line leader. At this point, the manager should either print a hard copy or an electronic copy of the evaluation so that they can go over it with the employee. The manager should review the evaluation with the employee before signing off electronically, because once the manager signs the evaluation electronically, it immediately notifies the employee. So after the manager has printed the copy of the evaluation, they should schedule a meeting with their employee to review it. And then once that meeting is completed, the manager should electronically sign the evaluation, and then the system will route it to the employee so that they can review the evaluation and sign it. So that's the process for our performance evaluations in NeoGov Perform. It starts with the employee, goes to the manager, goes to the manager's manager, then goes back to the manager and finishes with the employee.